Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 7, addition and subtraction up to 50 from the book Maths 1. Addition of two-digit numbers without carrying over. Now, Sandhya and Pragya bought some beads and each of them made a necklace by stringing the beads together. संध्या और प्रज्ञा ने कुछ बीड्स बॉट किए और उन दोनों ने कुछ बीड्स को स्ट्रिंग करके नेकलेसेस बनाए. ओके, नाउ Sandhya's necklace had 15 beads and Pragya's necklace had 23 beads. संध्या के नेकलेस में 15 बीड्स थे और प्रज्ञा के नेकलेस में 23 बीड्स थे. नाउ हाउ मेनी बीड्स डिड दे यूज अप इन ऑल? तो हमें बताना है उन दोनों ने मिलाकर कितने बीड्स यूज किए. We have to add 15 and 23 to get the total number of beads used by them. तो हमें 15 और 23 को ऐड करना पड़ेगा अगर हमें total number of beads find करने हैं, right? Now step 1, write the numbers in vertical form as well as in the expanded form. तो हमें numbers को vertical form में और expanded form दोनों में लिखना है. So here is the vertical form, ones, tens. We have 5 at ones, 1 at tens. Then here is 23 where 3 at ones and 2 at tens. Okay. Then here is the expanded form, 1 10 and 5 ones plus 2 tens and 3 ones. Okay. Then step 2, first add the ones. फिर हमें ones को add करना है सिर्फ. So like this, if we add 5 and 3, we'll get 8. Here also, if we add 5 ones and 3 ones, we'll get 8 ones. Okay. Then step 3, then add the tens. Step 3 में हमें tens को add करना है. Like this, 1 and 2 makes 3. Okay. Then here also 1 10, 2 tens make 3 tens. Okay. So final answer is 30 plus 8, which is equal to 38. So the total number of beads used by them equals to 38. The total number of beads है उन दोनों ने use किए, that is 38. The mother gave 18 mangoes to her son. Then she gave 20 more mangoes to the son. How many mangoes are there altogether? तो mother ने 18 mangoes दिए उसके son को. Then more 20 मैंगोज दोबारा से दिए सन को. अब हमें बताना है ऑल टुगेदर कितने मैंगोज दिए मदर ने अपने सन को. ओके, नाउ बाय वर्टिकल मेथड, सो वी हैव टू डू यूजिंग वन मेथड ओनली. वी कैन डू इट बाय एक्सपैंडेड मेथड और बाय यूजिंग द वर्टिकल मेथड. इट्स अपॉन योर चॉइस. ओके, सो हियर वी आर यूजिंग द वर्टिकल मेथड. Ones, tens, we have 18, 8 at ones, 1 at tens and then 20, which is 0 at ones and 2 at tens. Now if we add 8 to 0, we'll get 8. Then if we add 1 to 2, we'll get 3. The final answer is 38. Thus the total number of mangoes equals to 38. Now do this. Okay. So total number of mangoes जो थे 38 है. Then we have word problems. Example, Rachna had 24 toffees. She bought 24 toffees more. How many toffees does she have now? रचना के पास पहले से 24 टॉफीज थी, उसने अब 24 और खरीद ली. ओके, सो अब उसके पास टोटल कितनी हो गई? नाउ वी हैव ones, tens. रचना had 24 टॉफीज, so 4 at ones, 2 at tens. Okay, then she bought 24 more toffees, so again 4 at ones, 2 at tens. Right, now she has, if we add 4 and 4, we'll get 8. If we add 2 and 2, we'll get 4. Now she has 48 toffees in total. Okay? Then exercise 7A. A add the following. Now we'll add these sums. Okay? A, we have 0 at ones, then 2 at tens, then 2 at ones and 1 at tens. We have to add them. If we add 0 to 2, we'll get 2. And if we add 2 to 1, we'll get 3. The whole answer is 32. Then B, we have 21 plus 25. If we add 1 to 5, we'll get 6. And if we add 2 to the 2, we'll get 4. The whole answer is 46. Then C, we have 23 plus 14. if we add 3 to 4, we'll get 7. And if we add 2 to 1, we'll get 3. Then D, we have 35 plus 10. If we add 5 to 0, we'll get the same number, 5. And if we add 3 to 1, we'll get 4. The whole answer is 45. Then we have E. We have 30 plus 12. If we add 0 to 2, we'll get 2. And if we add 3 to 1, we'll get 4. The whole answer is 42. Then F. We have 24 plus 13. If we add 4 to 3, we'll get 7. And if we add 2 to 1, we'll get 3. The whole answer is 37. Then we have some more. G, we have 20 plus 26. Now, if we add 0 to 6, we'll get 6. And if we add 2 to 2, then we'll get 4. The whole answer is 46. Then we have H, 25 plus 24. 5 and 4 makes 9. 2 and 2 makes 4. The number will get 49. Then I, 28 plus 10. 8 and 0 makes 8. 2 and 1 make 3. 38. Okay. Then J, 32 plus 17. 2 and 7 make 9. 3 and 1 make 4. Means 49. Then we have K, 18 plus 20. 8 and 0 make 8. And 1 and 2 makes 3. The number is 38. Then L, 34 plus 3. So 4 and 3 makes 7. 3 and 0 makes 3. The number is 37. Then B, solve the following word problems. Okay. A, Sony and Moni went to the river early in the morning. Sony collected 17 shells and Moni found 22 shells. How many shells did they collect in all? सोनी और मोनी दोनों रिवर की तरफ चले गए सुबह अर्ली. ओके. और सोनी ने 17 शेल्स कलेक्ट किए, मोनी को 22 शेल्स मिले. तो हमें बताना दोनों ने मिलकर कितने शेल्स कलेक्ट किए. सो अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड देम. सो इफ वी ऐड 17 plus 22, we'll get 39. Okay. The answer is 39 shells. Okay. You can add these numbers by doing the vertical method of addition. Okay. Then B, I have 32 black balls and 15 white balls. How many balls do I have? तो 32 black balls है, 15 white balls है. अब बताना है total balls कितनी है. So again we have to add them. It means we have to do 32 plus 15. Right? Now the answer is 47. Okay? Again you can do the vertical method of addition. 47 balls we have. Okay? Then see, in a basket there are 40 apples and 10 bananas. How many fruits are there in the basket? एक basket में 40 apples है, 10 bananas है. हमें बताना है total fruits कितने हैं basket में. Okay. So again we have to add 40 plus 10. The answer is 50. Means 50 fruits we have in a basket. Then D, Rajat had 15 rupees with him. He got 32 rupees from his father. How many rupees does he have now? तो रजत के पास 15 रुपीस थे, उसके फादर ने 32 रुपीस और दे दिए. अब रजत के पास कितने रुपीस है? Again we have to add 15 plus 32. And the answer is 47 rupees Rajat have. Okay. Then E, Yug had 32 toys with him. His brother gave him 12 toys more. How many toys does he have now? युग के पास 32 टॉयज थे, ओके, और उसके ब्रदर ने 12 टॉयज और दिए, तो अब टोटल टॉयज कितने हैं युग के पास? ओके, अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड 32 plus 12. The answer is 44 toys, okay? Then subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Subtraction without borrowing. Okay. Anika is 12 years old and her mother is 34 years old. How much older is Anika's mother than her? जो अनिका है वो 12 years की है, उसकी जो मदर है वो 34 years की है. हमें बताना है कि उसकी मदर अनिका से कितनी ज्यादा ओल्ड है. Now we have to subtract Anika's mother age from Anika's age. हमें अनिका की मम्मी की एज को अनिका की एज से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी हमें पता चलेगा. Now the step 1, write the numbers in the vertical form as well as in the expanded form. तो हमें vertical form में लिख लेने हैं numbers को और expanded form में. So this is the vertical form we have. We have 34, 4 at ones, 3 at tens. Then we have 12, 2 at ones, 1 at tens, right? And this is the expanded form, 3 tens and 4 ones minus 1 tens and 2 ones. Okay? Then step 2 says first subtract the ones. फिर हमें ones place पर जो numbers दिए हैं उनको subtract करना है. So here you can see in the vertical method we have subtracted 4 and 2. If we subtract 2 from 4 we'll get 2, right? Then here also if we subtract 4 ones and 2 ones, we'll get 2 ones. Okay? Then step 3, then subtract the tens. अब हमें tens को subtract करना है. So here you can see we have 3 and 1. If we subtract 1 from 3, we'll get 2. Okay? Then here also, if we subtract 3 tens, 1 tens, we'll get the 2 tens. Okay? Now which is equal to 20 plus 2? The answer is 22. Here also, okay? So Anika's mother is 22 years older than her. तो हमें पता चल गया जो अनिका की मदर हैं वो 22 year old है अनिका से. Anshuman had 36 shells. He gave 10 shells to his friend. How many shells are left with Anshuman? अंशुमन के पास 36 शेल थे. 10 shells अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया. अब अंशुमन के पास कितने shells बचे? Now by vertical method, we are doing this subtraction here. 1s, 10s, 36 minus 10s, 10. We have 6 at 1, 0 at 1s and 3 at 10s and 1 at 10s. Now we are subtracting 0 from 6, we'll get the 6, right? Then if we are subtracting 1 from 3, we'll get 2. The number is 26. So there are 26 shells are left with Anshuman. 26 shell बचे अंशुमन के पास, okay? Then word problems. Example, first out of 38 oranges in a box, 15 are rotten. How many oranges are in good condition? 38 oranges थे एक बॉक्स में, 15 rotten थे, मतलब सड़े हुए थे. हमें बताना है कौन से कितने oranges सही कंडीशन में थे. So total number of oranges we have 38, 8 at ones, 3 at tens, right? Then number of rotten oranges which are 15, 5 at ones, 1 at tens, right? Then number of oranges in good condition, so we have to subtract them. So if we subtract 5 from 8, we'll get 3, and if we subtract 1 from 3, we'll get 2. The oranges that are in good condition are 23. So there are 23 oranges in good condition in the box, okay? Then exercise 7B. A, subtract the following. Now we'll subtract them, okay? A, 49 minus 18. So if we subtract 8 from 9, we'll get 1. And if we subtract 1 from 4, we'll get the 3. The number is 31. B, 35 minus 24. Now 5. If we subtract 4 from 5, we'll get 1. And if we subtract 2 from 3, we'll get again 1. The number is, or the answer is 11. Then C, 42 minus 12. 2 minus 2 will get 0. Then if we subtract 1 from 4, we'll get 3. So the number is 30. Then we have D. 24 minus 10. 4 minus 0 will get 4. And if we subtract 2 minus 1, we'll get 1. The answer is 14. Then E. 48 minus 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. The number is 12. Then F. 45 minus 24. 5 minus 4 will get 1. Then 4 minus 2 will get 2. The answer is 21. Then G. 44 minus 12. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 4 minus 1, 3. The answer is 32. Then H. 38 minus 17. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 21. Then I. 34 minus 22. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. The answer is 12. Then J. 28 minus 16. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then K. 47 minus 35. 7 minus 5 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer is 12. Then L. 42 minus 31. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer is 11. Then B. Subtract the following. A. 37 minus 15. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 22. Then B. 44 minus 20. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 24. Then C. 46 minus 23. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 23. Then D. 45 minus 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. The answer is 33. Then E. 47 minus 40. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. The answer is 7. Then F. 48 minus 24. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. The answer is 24. Then C. Solve the following word problems. A. Out of 44 eggs in a basket, 24 are broken. Find the number of eggs that are not broken. तो 44 eggs थे basket में, 24 थे broken थे, टूटे हुए थे. हमें बताना है कि कितने broken नहीं थे. So we have to subtract them. 44 minus 24. The answer is 20. You can subtract it by doing the vertical method of subtraction. B. Out of 38 books in a bookshelf, 24 are English books and the rest are Hindi books. How many Hindi books are there in the bookshelf? 38 books थी bookshelf में, 24 English books थी. हमें बताना है कितनी हिंदी books थी. Okay, so again we have to subtract 38 minus 24 equals to, the answer is 14. 14 books are Hindi books in the bookshelf. Okay. Then C. Out of 50 fruits in a basket, 40 are mangoes and the rest of them are bananas. Find the number of bananas in the basket. 50 fruits है basket में, 40 mangoes है, तो हमें बताना है कि bananas कितने हैं. Okay. तो again we have to minus them. Okay. 50 minus 40 equals to 10. So 10 is the number of bananas that are in the basket. Then D. A class has 45 children. 12 children were absent on a rainy day. How many children were present that day? 45 children थे class में, 12 children absent थे बारिश की वजह से. Now we have to tell कि उस दिन present कितने students थे. Okay, so again we have to subtract 45 minus 12. The answer is 33. Then E, out of 37 animals eating grass in a field, 25 are cows and the rest are sheep. Find the number of sheep in the field. तो 37 एनिमल्स थे, ग्रास ईट कर रहे थे फील्ड में, उसमें से 25 काउस थी और जो बाकी बचे हैं वो शीप थी. हमें बताना है नंबर ऑफ शीप कितनी थी. सो अगेन वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट 37 माइनस 25. The answer is 12. So 12 number of sheep are grazing in the field. Okay. Then objective skill, multiple choice question, MCQs. Take the correct option. First, 35 plus 15 is equal to dash. We have option A 45, B 50, C 35. The answer is 50. Then second, 48 minus 36 is equal to dash. We have options A 12, B 24, C 38. The answer is 12. Then third, Raju had 22 candies. He bought 17 candies more. How many candies does he have? Raju के पास 22 candies थी. उसने 17 और candies खरीद ली. अब total मिलाकर कितनी candies है? So we have to add, right? 22 plus 17. We have options A 38, B 35, C 39. The answer is 39. Fourth, a man had 49 kites. He sold 38 kites out of them. How many kites were left with him? एक आदमी के पास 49 kites थी. उसने 38 kites sold कर दी. अब उसके पास कितनी kites बची? We have options A 11, B 10, C 15. Now we have to subtract 49 minus 38. The answer is 11. Then we have critical thinking, mental maths. Read the clues given below and complete the following crossword. So we have to read these clues and complete this crossword. Okay. First, the number that comes after 35. तो ऐसा number जो 35 के बाद आता है, which is 36. Okay. The answer is 36. So we have to write here. We have given T, then H, I, R is already written. T, Y, then S is already written. I, X. 36. Okay. Then second, the number that comes between 46 and 48. 46 और 48 के बीच में जो number आता है, which is 47. Okay. The answer is 47. We have to write here. Okay, we'll write. F is already written, then O, R is already written, then T, Y, S, E is already written, then B, E, N. 47. Then third, the number that comes before 21. 21 से पहले कौन सा number आता है? Before. The answer is 20. So we have to write here. Third one, T, W, E is already written, N, E is already written, Y, 20. Okay. Then fourth, the number that comes after 30. 30 के बाद जो number आता है after. The answer is 31. Okay. So we have the fourth one. We have to write it here. T is already written. Then H, I, R, T, Y, then O, N is already written. Then E. 31. Then fifth, the number that comes before 43. ऐसा number जो कि 43 से पहले आता है, before. The answer is 42. So fifth one we have to write here. F, O, R, T, Y is already written. Then 2. T, W, O. Okay. Then sixth, the number that comes between 6 and 8. ऐसा number जो 6 और 8 के बीच में आता है, which is 7. So sixth one we have to write here. S, E, V, E, N is already written. Okay. Then we have art integration activity zone. Join the dots in ascending order to find out the figure. Discuss the picture you get at the end with your friends and teachers. तो dots को join करना है ascending order में. Okay. और फिर हमें एक पिक्चर मिलेगी, उसके बारे में डिस्कशन करना है अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ और टीचर के साथ. ओके. Now we'll join this picture. So this picture starts with 1. Here is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, then 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, then 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, then 42, 43, 44, 45, then 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So this is the picture of a dog, right? So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.